Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by assembling tools and confirming the LED strip type. Rigid strips need more support. Once ready, measure the run and mark clip locations every 6 to 12 inches. This prevents sagging. Make sure to clean the mounting surface with isopropyl so adhesive clips stick, or pre-drill pilot holes for screw clips to avoid splitting. Now position the first clip at an end, align it squarely, and fasten lightly so you can adjust the strip before final tightening. Next, work along the run and snap the LED strip into each clip. You should feel a firm engagement. As you go, ensure the strip maintains the manufacturer's minimum bend radius. Sharp corners cause damage and shorts. Use screws for heavy sections and adhesive clips where appropriate, but avoid over-tightening, which can deform the strip. Once clipped, route cables through clips or use cable ties, secure connectors with heat shrink or rated quick connects, and trim excess, length only at marked cut points. To finish, reconnect power and test the entire run, inspect brightness, color consistency, and for any flicker. Once verified, seal exposed ends with silicone or end caps and secure loose wires under clips or cable ties for a clean appearance. If something fails, first power down and check polarity at connectors, then inspect solder joints and the strip where clips compress it. Also consider voltage drop on long runs. If brightness fades, add a feed point or use thicker.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.